Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to change the cabin air filter in a Honda CR-V. Right now I'm in my 2017 Honda CR-V and I'm going to just give you a demonstration of how to change the cabin air filter. Now I'm just going to go ahead and get myself into a little bit of a position to make some space down here. But what you want to do is you want to find the glove box. Right here is the glove box and I'm doing my best with the camera angle here. I'm working with very limited space. I have two car seats in the back, so the seats in the front are very far pushed forward, but I'm doing my best here. So what you're going to do is you're going to find the glove box. You want to open up the glove box. And when you've opened up the glove box, I'm sorry about the glare. When you've opened up the glove box, you're going to notice that on either side, you're going to have these little tabs that you can push in. So on either side, you're going to have these little tabs that you can push in, and that's going to allow you to open the glove box even further. So I'm going to take this one. You want to pull it in like that. Do the same thing with the other side. Sorry about that. Pull it in like that. The glove box is going to drop down, and there's actually another little hook right over here. If you reach down on this side, on the right side of the glove box, I'll show you, hopefully, there's a little hook. You want to push it towards the front of the car, and that's going to unhook it like that. So the little hook that I was talking about, sorry about that, I'm doing my best at the camera angle here, is right over here. Just so you guys see what I'm doing here, this is literally the position that I'm in to make this video. So hopefully you appreciate it. But that little hook is holding the glove box from falling. If you look right here, that is actually where the cabin air filter is. Very simple to change it. It's actually really easy. There are these little tabs on either side. Okay, this is really requiring me to be really flexible to get to them now with my legs like this. So basically, I'm just going to push one of the tabs over here and then the other tab as well. That should just pop out. Give me 1 second. Just like that. So it's popped out. Don't lose this. I like to just leave it in the glove box right over there. And there's your cabin air filter right there. And you want to change it. It's easy. Look, check this out. You take it, you remove it, and it'll show you which way is the right side up, right on the air filter. You literally pull it out like that. It just slides out. There you go. There's your air filter. You want to replace it, and this one's still good. I know it looks dirty, but it's not. That's just the coloration of it. You want to replace it, you put the new one in there. I'm going to just put the same one because, like I said, it's not dirty. You put the new one in there, slide it in like that, just like that. Then all that you have to do is grab your holder and replace it again. So with your new cabin air filter in place, you can now take your little piece right here, and it even says which direction is up on it right there. And you can put it in place. Just basically put it back in place. Click it in. Okay. I'm going to try and do this with one hand. If I can't, we're just going to call it a day. Just like that. So click it in place. Then you can take your glove box and you can just pull your glove box back up. Just like this. Once again, I'm very sorry about the glare. Pull the glove box back up and it'll slide right back into place. Just like that. And don't forget about that hook. That little hook there that I pulled off. Click it back in and you'll be good to go. And that's basically it. I truly hope that you've enjoyed this video tutorial because, like I said, I'm really getting in a weird position to kind of make this happen just because the seats are so far forward. But that's it. Replacing the cabin air filter inside of a Honda CR-V is actually really easy. I would recommend doing it yourself because it's so simple. You can bring it to the dealership or to a mechanic and that's fine too, but it's so, like, literally in like a 3-4 minute video, I've shown you exactly how to do it, and that's all it takes. Just buy your cabin air filter and save yourself a ton of money by replacing it yourself. And that's it. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.